Good morning, preschool friends.
Good morning.
Okay, guys, so our question of the day today would be, where does trash go when you throw it away? So, after you throw it in the trash can, what happens to it? So think about that for a second. Kinsley, what do you think? Put it in the trash can, and then what happens to it? Yeah, you got lucky because you heard mommy talking about it. So the trash man would pick it up, and then it finally ends up in a place called landfill. And that is one of your activities. You can watch a video about where the trash trucks take the trash. And when we recycle, that makes the landfill smaller. It makes our place. So our video today is we are going to do a letter song. So this week in our classroom, it would be a remembering week. So we would be all the letters that we learned about, and we learned so many letters, preschool friends. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our letter sound song that has all of our letters. And remember, it goes through 2 times. So sing along with me and Kinsley if you'd like. Ready, Kinsley? A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, and D makes D. E makes N, F makes H makes I makes J makes J, and K makes K, L makes O, M makes N makes O makes R, P makes P, Q makes Qu, R makes R, S makes T makes T, U makes V makes V, W makes what, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes Z. That is the end of the song. One more time. A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, E makes N, F makes G makes G, H makes I makes I, J makes J, K makes K, L makes N makes O makes U makes Q, and R makes S makes T makes U makes V makes V, W makes what, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes. That is the end of the song. That is really good. So great job. That's all we have for you today, preschool friends. And we will see you tomorrow. Number. So I hope you guys have a good day. All right. See you tomorrow, preschool friends.